Okay, this is an integer division operator in Python. It is represented with two forward slashes. It works like the normal division we know, except that it throws away the decimal part of the results after performing a division. The results or the return value of an integer division is always an integer, and hence there is no reflections of remainder even if there is any after performing a division. For example, 5 integer divided by 2 equals 2 instead of 2.5 because the part 0.5 is thrown away by integer division. We normally know that 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, but if you use an integer division to perform such a division, the result is going to be 2, not 2.5, because the parts 0.5, the decimal part 0.5 will get thrown away. Let's look at examples. Example 1, 4 integer divided by 2 is 2. 5 integer divided by 2 is still 2, not 2.5, because the 0.5 is thrown away. And 4 integer divided by 3 is 1. It throws away the remainder. And this is the exercise we have on this value topic, integer division in Python. Exercise 1, 8 integer divided by 2, what is the output? Please put it. 10 integer divided by 3, what is the output? Write it. 6 integer divided by 5, what is the output? Write it. Thank you.